Couple of months ago, I posted a tweet like this saying this was the most critical weekly imbalance area. And I said that if we couldn't break through it and push over 100k, there could be possible crashes here. And since then, Bitcoin crashed just like I predicted. So, how do you make this kind of predictions and invest in the markets at the right times? Before we even start, we need to talk about why prices get expensive over time and when the best times to invest really are. Every type of assets gets more and more expensive during the rallying periods. At some point, prices hit all-time highs and become overextended with extreme pricing. The way I generally invest is quite simple. I like prices to crash. And honestly, I love when the other people cry and scream during those crashes in the social media. Those are the best times for me. That's when I slowly invest my money using small, periodic entries, usually on a weekly basis. Remember when we hit the 120k area? If you open social media during that time, everyone was saying Bitcoin was going to 200k, 500k, and even some said $1 million soon. Everyone on social media said it was the best time to buy. However, since then, the price crashed around 30% in just 3 months. So, my general investing or swing trading idea again is quite simple. I take profits when the prices hit all time highs or become overextended, or when I see my positions are showing nice green gains. Great time to take profit. This is usually the time when the social media tells you it is best time to buy and people get more and more greedy. But in my opinion, the best time to buy anything in the world when the prices are cheaper or crashing. When I see deeper pullbacks, that's when I like to invest. Especially when I look at social media and everyone is crying, screaming like Bitcoin is gonna be $1 and fear is everywhere. Those are the best times for me to buy and wait it out. If you look at the markets yesterday, you saw an incredible price move in the silver. Everyone was screaming that it was a great time to buy silver. There was this global tension, and people were saying we are going to the 200 levels. Best time to invest. Yeah, sure. Then the price crashed, but crashed like nothing else before. The silver price dropped like 40% in a single day, in a one day. It was one of the biggest manipulations I ever seen in a global asset like this one. However, what I do with any kind of asset is again pretty easy. I buy during small pullbacks, deep pullbacks, or big crashes. I buy at periodic moments on a weekly basis, and I just adjust my interest size based on how deep the pullback is. This way, you get cheap prices during bargain moments, and your potential profit can be much greater than buying something at all time highs. It's a very simple idea actually, but it is quite effective as well. Now let's get back to the Bitcoin and do a little analysis on it, so we can talk about what we can do going forward. In this weekly chart, especially if you look at the price cluster around 70k, this is one of the biggest demand areas for the Bitcoin in the future. It also happens to be a great SR flip location to hold the price as a support area. You can also think about this small liquidity point or points as an extra factor as inducement. So, if the prices crash here, which is a high possibility, this would be a best areas for me to buy Bitcoin heavily. If I can see a structure shift in this area, it will be great for the next rally to break all-time highs in the future. However, why did I call this weekly imbalance the most important imbalance area beforehand couple of months ago? Also, this area was the 100k round number location, which I care a lot. So in the future, for an earlier rally, we needed to break through this imbalance and also break through this 100k level. because this would be a great opportunity for an early rally to make another all-time highs. This is why I said watch this imbalance and wait the reaction. However, my main concern was this multi-level imbalance area. If you look at the 1, 2, 3, and 4 weekly charts, at the same time, once the price hits the multi-imbalance area, it struggled a lot. It was also making these swing failure patterns in this location. So this crash was inevitable if you look at the multiple charts across different time frames. So, do I keep buying Bitcoin? Actually, yes, I do. I buy in very small amounts at the moment. It's just strategic positions, and I adjust my position sizes the way I teach in the Swing Investing Masterclass with working agents. These investments are for the future, not for immediate profits. So, the lesson of today is simple. No one in the world, including me, and I mean no one, can predict the future. We just do not know. We do not know what will happen in the next hour as well. This is why we avoid expensive prices at all-time highs. This is why we make small and periodic entries possibly every week during pullback periods. Finally, we never put all our money in a single asset like Bitcoin. There is gold, stock markets, real estate, and great other opportunities globally to invest all together at the same time. Okay friends, this was a good educational video. See you next time and please take care and have a great day. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.